If you're a content creator who edits YouTube videos, TikToks, Reels, podcasts, and more, today guys, I'm gonna give you 3 free easy prompts that you can use to prompt Claude AI directly inside of Premiere Pro to automatically edit those types of videos for you. This works especially well if you're a content creator with any talking head footage. And like I said, all these prompts are completely free to download, link below in the description. Let's dive straight into it. We're inside of Premiere Pro today. The first thing we're going to do is open the AutoEdit Content Creator Mode plugin. To do so, you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click AutoEdit Creator Mode. Now, this is a free to download plugin. There is a paid plan to get extra credits for the Claude feature, but if you just want to download it straight off the bat and use all the free tools like this silence cutter right here, which will automatically cut out all these silences of my video for me, you can go ahead and download it. It's linked below in the description along with all these prompts. Now, what we can do is we can go ahead and use the Claude Creator Mode. Now, this feature is really cool because we can literally prompt it, and there's also a new chat mode feature that is coming soon where you can go ahead and literally talk to Claude back and forth as if it is your assistant editor. So it's pretty cool. But first things first, we're just going to go ahead and use this basic Claude Creator Mode feature. We're going to go to this free Notion doc, which I've linked down below, which has all of these templates. And let's say whatever reel you're editing, let's say it's like a YouTube tutorial or whatever, a talking head, you can go ahead and just copy these prompts, go back to Premiere, and then literally right click and paste these prompts into this field, and boom, just like that, it now automatically adds that prompt for us. Now we're going to go ahead and use a content template as well. So it'll basically cut out all the bad takes, filler words, and repeats and mess ups of your video based on what you're actually saying, not just the filler words and repeats takes that other plugins would cut off before. So this plugin is really different because it uses Claude. We click tutorial, we're going to click casual, and now we click edit rough cut. It sends our audio to 11 Labs for transcription, and then Claude is going to take down that transcript and determine what are the bad takes, what are the good takes, and so forth. So we're going to go ahead and wait for this to load. It'll take a couple seconds, and boom, just like that, it is now done. And you can see it's automatically cutting out all the bad repeated takes for us, and it's left us just a final take, which is really cool because that way I don't have to rewatch my footage over and over again. And if you're a content creator, you know how especially long this takes because editing is often the longest part of content creation as a whole. And especially when I started YouTube, editing was pretty daunting because I was pretty new to it. So if you're one of those types of editors, I could understand and I feel your pain. So that's why using a plugin like this, especially inside of a professional application like Premiere, is super helpful. So you can see it takes you to this page. And if you want to keep or cut some takes like 3, 2, 1, honestly, it made a mistake on that. So I would cut it. I can go ahead and manually adjust it. And then the cool thing is Claude keeps note of this, and then it'll be like, okay, in the future, I won't keep that type of line. And then you can just read through all the other choices it picked for us. And if you want to jump to that exact timestamp, you can do so by clicking and it'll take you to it. So you can play it out.
Video editor who's tired of being slow at video editing.
Nice. It found the good intro take and it cut out all of these bad takes right here. So that's really cool. You can see it working live in action because I would have had to rewatch all this. And this is about 9 seconds of time that I got back. But if you add that up and multiply that out over all the talking head videos that you're going to do in your entire content creation career, that can add up to hundreds of hours of just wasted time rewatching your own footage. So this is really helpful just for cutting out those bad takes, repeats, and filler words, especially for talking head video. Actually, only for talking head video, might I say. And now let's say all these other takes are good. We hit apply all permanent and boom, just like that. It now edits our video for us, cuts everything together.
Video editor who's tired of being slow at video.
Yeah, that's fucking sick. I don't have to do any of this anymore. So now I can go ahead and add captions if I want. You don't have to, but you can if you want. And you can see there's some templates in here. I made my own custom templates. I made one that looks like Mr. Beast. And you can also make your own custom ones as well. If you want to customize it, you can scroll down over here to the font, the colors, the size. You can even add animation effects, which is really cool as well. You can do karaoke, whatever you want. You get the idea. And now we can hit generates, and then it'll generate all of these captions for us and then just automatically place it on the timeline. And boom, look at that. We got some Mr. Beast captions.
You're a Premiere Pro video editor who's tired of being slow at video.
Yeah, that's so fire. So if you want to download this plugin, like I said, it's completely free to download. There's a free plan, but there's also a paid plan that gives you more advanced features and more credits for the Claude AI video editing plugin feature. So if you want to check it out, link down below in the description. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and I've linked to all of these prompts. So there's an Instagram Reels prompt, there is a YouTube talking head prompt, there's a talking head prompt, and just because I feel nice today, I made a bonus 2 extra ones for podcast highlight clips. and product demo sales videos. So if you want to get all of these prompts specifically for Claude AI inside of Premiere Pro, they're already tailored. Like I've already battle tested this against multiple transcripts and found all the common mistakes that a content creator would make in a raw recording. You can get them linked below in the description, and you can also get the plugin with it for Premiere. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Now, if you want to learn how you can use AI to automatically edit your music videos for Premiere Pro, you can check out this video linked right here.